Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Ps4 and opening settings immediately. This saves time. Once in settings, navigate to network. You need to be here to reset networking. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password or an Ethernet cable handy so you can reconnect. You're preparing the console and credentials now so the actual reset is smooth. If you have two-factor or special ISP settings, note them. This step prevents interruptions and lets you move straight into resetting network options. You'll now perform the reset by selecting Setup Internet Connection and choosing LAN or Wi-Fi depending on your connection. If you pick Wi-Fi, choose the correct SSID and carefully enter the password. If LAN, plug the Ethernet cable into the Ps4 port before proceeding. Choose Custom only when you need manual DNS, proxy, or MTU values. Otherwise, select Easy to let the PlayStation auto-configure. Once done, the system will test the connection and report any errors for you to address. You finish by running Test Internet Connection to verify IP assignment, NAT type, and speed. These numbers tell you if reset worked. If the test fails, restart the router, then the Ps4, wait roughly 30 seconds and test again because many issues clear after simple reboots. If problems persist, switch to manual DNS like 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 or contact your ISP for guidance. One key troubleshooting tip. Changing NAT to open may require UPnP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.